All right. Good morning, everybody. This is Toby Preacher from Indie Minus Games at Death, and it is another wonderful morning. It's 6:20 a.m. and you're watching right now my early morning development routine of my game Oh My Zombie, the game where you are the zombie. And today we got stuff to do. I want to add pills into the game as a currency, and for that I have this pills image right here, and I did some previous work a few minutes ago on that image, and now I'm gonna export it as a PNG file. Pills PNG export. There we go. And now I head over into Unity and I'm gonna import it. Let me see, we have the graphics here. You got the scene, objects. Let me see where I want to place this. Well, it's a bit of a mess here. I think I have to clean it up one day. So let me see, how could I organize it better? Under graphics, I will make a new folder, and I will call it I will call it usables. I will call it usables. All right. So let me see. I jump into my folder where I hold these assets, 2D game assets. There we are. And there's the PNG file. I'm gonna drag it into here. There's the pills sprite. Let's go into the sprite editor real quick. There we are. Check the settings, check everything's right. I'm gonna crop it a little bit in here because we have a tiny space between the pill and the image outline. Gonna crop it in here. There we go. Pivot point will be at the center. Apply, close. Alright, and I think I have to adjust the pixels per unit. Gonna set it to 200. Alright, looks good so far. And then I will get into my scene here, and I will drop one pill here, and you can see the issue going on here. This pill, well, it's like a monster pill, right? Okay, so I have to go into my settings, and I want to at least half it or quarter the size. And so I hit apply, and you can see now the pill is better, but it's still a little bit too big. I want to have it smaller there. Let's try 900. Apply. Well, that's still too big. I will try 1000. Still too big. 1400. Yeah, we're getting there. 800. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good size. Let me just test with 2000. Yeah, I think I will go with 2000. That's a good size. Alright, I'm gonna remove the pills from the scene. Whoops. And there we go. Alright, we have this. So what I want to do is I want to have it as a collectible item. And as you know, I got all these collectible skulls up there. And I got a script on it, and a rigid body, and a collider, and most importantly, I got somewhere in there, I got a particle system as a child object, and it emits if you collect this. I think this is, I will go with that for the pills, and maybe also do the particle system. So what I want to check real quick is what I got in this script. Let's see. There we are. This is, oh holy moly, what do I have in here? Wow, wow, wow. Well, you know what? I think I will not go with any of these. I will do it from scratch. What I want to have is a universal script that I can use for every collectible item or a collectible thing that is not part of the inventory system. So I'm not sure at the moment if I want to have the pills on the inventory system. Well, that would be easy. You could just tap into. I could just add a script to the pills. Well, let's actually do this. Let me see. We got the enemy remains here, and what we have in there is on each component we have the item world spawner. So I would have to define a new item. Let me think. Do I want to have the pills as a currency on the inventory? Well, there are lots of games who have that, especially role-playing games, stuff like that. And there are other games who don't have that. But I think the idea of being consistent and having all in one place is better than having it in a separate place. So I think I will go with that. I will put it into the inventory. Okay. Decisions are made. I can change this later on if I don't like the way it is. So what I need to do now is I'm gonna go into my scripts and I need to tap into my item script. Do I still have it open here? Yes. There is the item. We have the item type and we have to define a new item type, which I will call pill. There we got, and then I'm gonna define a new case here. Case item type pill, and then return. Whoops. Return. Okay, and I have to make that field on my game assets manager. Where is my game assets? Ba-da-ba-ba. Do I have it in here? Let me just grab my game assets script. There we go. item CS. Gonna copy that. Serialize fields, and there we have the pill sprite. There we go, pill sprite. Gonna copy that. Go back into this and say game assets.instance .pill sprite, and there we have our sprite. And I also want to know if it is stackable. Public pool is stackable, and of course, in case item type dot pill, we're gonna return true. So the pills will be stackable. It just makes sense. All right. Okay, we got the sprite. We got the property is stackable, and we got the item type. All right. That's all we need to do here. So let's get back to my pills. I need my pills. Usable. There is the pills. And I'm gonna get down here, create empty. I'm gonna drag the pills on it. Wait, I need to have a sprite renderer, and I'm gonna have the pills. Actually, why did I name this pills? I should name it pill. There we go. There is the pill. Game object, pill. I'm gonna name this PF pill because I'm gonna make a prefab out of this. Alright, there we have the pill. Right up here. Gonna put it down there, near to the player, so we can see the size and everything. And see if we are fine with this. I'm gonna put this on the player layer. I'm gonna have a sorting layer, player. Alright, we got that. And now I'm gonna add the component item world spawner, which is this, and I'm gonna say I want to spawn pills, and I want to have a amount. Well, I'd like to have the pills. Let me think. I want to instantiate them. Let me think. How am I doing this? I want to instantiate them, and I want to add a random amount. I believe the amount is 0 at the moment. Oh no, let's put a amount of 1 there. Item word spawner. Does that make sense? What I'm thinking about is, okay, I don't need the item world spawner on the prefab. Because I want to have the spawner on the enemy object. and I want to have the PF pill just being the actual pill. So I'm gonna add a component, collider, and I'm gonna say a circle collider. It fits, that's good right there. And I also gonna add a rigid body 2D, and it's gonna have a mass of 0.05. There you go. That's chest. Okay, pills are falling down. The pill is laying there on the floor. Alright. Okay. Okay, there we got the pill. Sorry. And what I want to do next is I want to go to my enemy object. Let's go to the first enemy object. Get in here. Let me think. It is spawning an item of item type. Let me jump into the script. Spawn item world. And where is the item world? Item world is here. And there's the set item function. Instantiate PF item world. Oh, there we go. There is the PF item world, so I don't need to have a separate prefab for the pills. Alright, let me see. I'm going to the enemy. I'm gonna add a component, item world spawner. And I'm gonna say I want to spawn pills amount 10 and hit play. So when I kill this enemy, it should drop 10 pills, which I can collect then. Whoa, weird things happening there. Oh, it's spawning it instantaneous. And there's still something missing. Well, it's not that easy. Oh, it's not getting the sprite because I didn't define it. So let's go into the resources. Going to drag the game assets here. Prefabs, usables. Grab the pill sprite in there. Apply all. Delete the game assets. Now it should spawn the pills, but it will kill this enemy instantaneous. Yeah, there we go. There are the pills, and I can get there. And I can collect them, and I get 10 pills in my inventory. So that's pretty cool. I got it in the inventory. But now I need to have a method where I can only spawn this if I have killed the enemy. So that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, at the moment I have this item world spawner script on the enemy directly, and I'm thinking about having this component not having it there, or maybe triggering it in a other way. Let me think. I have to go back into the item world spawner. Item world spawner. It is spawning the okay, I think I don't need the item world spawner. I can take this this logic and I can put it into my enemy AI script, and I'm gonna have it in the enumerator dead. Or into enemy die. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna have a item equals new item, and the definition of item is let me see. The definition of item is item type equals item.item type dot pill, and then I'm gonna have the amount equals to random range. That's gonna have a float min, float max. I don't want to have a float. I want to have a int. Random range. And the minimum is 1f dot to hello. Convert. No, I can't convert it. 1f and 10f. random range. Then I have to convert it to a int. Oh damn it, I don't remember the syntax for converting this to a int. But guys, please excuse me for 1 minute. I'm back in 1 minute. So there I am. Alright, I need to find out, maybe I can get a random int in Unity. Unity, let me Google this real quick. Get random int, random range, random int. Like there is a Unity question. Random range returns an int if you use it with integer. Min and max. Random range. Yada yada yada. Random range. Okay. Seems like I have to say 1 and 10, and then it should note it's an integer. Yeah, sometimes it's easy as that. Okay, so this should do it. And I'm gonna remove the destroy game object. Don't need that. Item world, spawn item world, transform dot position, and item. Well, I'm gonna comment this. Spawn random number of pills. Alright, let's see if this works. I'm gonna remove the item world spawner. Let me just get up there. Overrides Revert all. There we go. Gotta save. Let's play. Alright. Wow. 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 What happened down there? Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at the number of pills down there. 160 pills? Wow. I did something wrong here, but it is fun. It really is fun. Let me see, what did I do wrong? Why is it spawning that much? It is supposed to only spawn one item. If I set this to 1 and 1 and play again, what happens then? Let me see. Wow. It still spawns how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pills. Why is it spawning 18 pills? What is going on? Wow. Okay, this thing is not the problem. Item world, spawn item world. Why is this getting called so many times? Oh, my time is almost up. I need to hurry here. Well, maybe I have to do something like this. Bool spawned pill equals false, and then if spawned pill then I'm gonna spawn it, and I said spawned pill to true. Okay, guys, we're gonna test this tomorrow. My time is up. I have to go to my main job now. I will see you tomorrow, and we will see how this is working out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.